Opening of brackets. All right. Let's start with a very simple question. Give me the answer, children. We all know that when there is a bracket, which operation is missing? Times. Okay?
Multiplication.
Multiplication. Quickly give me the answer, children.
Multiplication.
Perfect, Manit. Solve.
4a minus 4b with ab.
Now let's do it with me, okay? 2 times 2a becomes a 4a. Then there's a minus sign. 2 times 4b becomes 8b. So whoever has given a 4b, please rectify your error. Next question. 2a, a minus b.
Ma'am,
Yes?
2a minus ab, maybe.
गलत है पहले आप bracket is with everything. Okay, so let us do this together. Who did answer? Who was the one who just answered?
Ma'am, me, Manit.
Manit. Okay. So Manit, let's solve it together. Even you have made a mistake. Ayantika, look at your answer. 2a times a. So it is right 2a times a minus 2a times b. Correct? So what is a times a? I had discussed this.
A square.
So it becomes 2a square minus 2ab, since nothing can be done over here. This is the final answer. You made an error. 3a कैसे हो रहा है? So I'll tell you what mistake someone has done. 2a into a minus, firstly messed up with the symbol. A lot of times this 2a is common with both a and b. So if you are multiplying a, don't forget that you have to even multiply with the second variable. Okay. Now when I have 2a into a, have I written 2a plus a or it's multiplication? Don't give me the answer 3b. Someone has given this as 3b. Be very careful with the operations. Only then you will be perfect with your algebra. If you are careful with the symbols like minus and plus, if you are careful with your variables, you are not going to go wrong. Next question. Answer. Take your time, 30 seconds. Don't go in rush because then your answers are going to be wrong. Fast.
Ma'am, minus 3a minus 2b, which is 3a plus 2b, so it will be 5ab.
Wrong, Manit. You have made 3 errors. Firstly, we cannot add apples to bananas. You have done that. Okay. Everyone, even iPhone, whoever has given the answer from iPhone as 1AB, it is wrong. Wrong. Okay. You want me to... Okay, let's wait for another 30 seconds. Resolve. Open the...
5a plus b.
No. It's still wrong, Manit. Open the bracket.
3a plus 2b.
No, Manit. Now you will stop, Manit, and you will be working as per me. 3 times 2b, right? Yeah, give me the final answer. Okay, so Shivansh, Shivin, can you please put this on charge? Very good, Ramanpreet. Very good. Sanvi. Sanvi, you have to give me the final answer, and Galat, it is wrong, Sanvi. Solve me. Minus 3 times A. Okay? Then there is minus over here. I'm going to write this minus as it is. And then minus 3 times 2B. Any problem over here? Any problem?
Ma, I didn't understand. Can you please repeat?
So we are going to open the bracket, children, from here. So minus 3 is common for A as well as 2B. When I open the bracket, minus 3 times A becomes a minus 3A. Clear? Then the symbol is there. I'm going to write the symbol as it is. Now the term 2B has to be multiplied with minus 3. So I wrote inside the bracket. Please get in the habit of putting brackets yourself. I see a lot of children in front of me, they're solving without bracket. If there is any operation that you have to do, put it inside the bracket. Now, minus 3A minus, what is minus 3 times 2B? Children, give me the answer. Minus 3 times 2B.
Minus 6b.
Minus 5t. Ma'am, minus 6b.
Who
6
gave
minus.
answer 5B? Minus 5B कौन बोला? Samaira, did you say minus 5B?
Ma'am, I said it by mistake.
Okay. This is minus 6B. Now see, there was a bracket over here, correct? Minus times minus becomes plus. Minus 3A plus 6B. Any problem here while I open the bracket, I change the sign. Any problem there, children? You've not understood? Samaira, samajh mein aaya? Aaya na?
Yes.
Okay. Let us take one more question on a similar topic.
Can I go to the next page?
इधर है ना अभी.
इसको करना आ गया.
Mute, please. First step, everybody, don't hurry. I want everyone to give the right question. First step is copy my question on your notebook. Copy my question. Copy my question. Next step, when you open the bracket, you make your own bracket because you are multiplying minus 4A times minus 2. So there are multiple symbols, multiple operations. You know, there would be a minus also, and then there will be multiplication also. I want you to put brackets.
Ridan, aaja.
Mute, please. Open the bracket. Now minus 4A multiplied by minus 2. Then there is a minus sign. Write the minus sign accordingly. इसको solve करने के बाद में eat. First finish. Then minus 4A, open the bracket, minus 4A times B. Ramanpreet, answer wrong. Shivansh, answer wrong. That's the beauty of algebra. If any sign is wrongly put, your answer becomes wrong. Okay? In 30 seconds, I am going to solve it. Yeah. Grahil, answer wrong. Yes.
8a plus 4ab.
Correct. Correct, Aradhya. I wanted.
Ma'am, is my answer right?
Who is it?
Sanvi, ma'am.
Sanvi, na? I just wanted to know your answer, Sanvi. One sec. Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi, it is. It is right. But instead of writing it as 4a times b, you have to give the final answer without the operation. Ayantika, answer wrong. See what you have done. This is
Why?
so the minus is this b is free of minus, correct? Minus 4a times b. Simple. Let's put the minus because you're doing two things together. Follow the answer and see the mistake you have done. Okay. Grahil, wrong. Internet connection is unstable. Okay. Okay. So now solve with me, kids. Minus 4a times minus 2. I'm going to put them all in one bracket. And again, a smaller bracket for minus 2 and minus 4. Okay. Then this minus sign, I put it as it is. I open the bracket, minus 4a times. Should I write b or should I write minus b?
B. B.
Because minus तो मैंने पहले ही बाहर
Minus becomes
मैंने माइनस तो ऑलरेडी बाहर ले लिया. So now this b is just b. Okay. And sometimes when you write it like 4a times minus b, I have seen kids writing it like this. You have to multiply. You cannot just remove this multiplication sign and make it like a subtraction statement. Don't do that. Sanvi, did you get my answer? Like, what problem?
Yes, ma'am.
आपने क्या किया? माइनस बी लगा दिया. मल्टीप्लाई करना था ना. Okay. So now let's solve this. Anvika. Minus 4a times minus 2. What does it become? Minus minus बन गया plus 4a times 8a. Next is a minus. Now I'm going to solve this. What should I write? Minus
4ab.
bus minus 4ab. Now again we have to open the bracket over here. I write
Yes, ma'am.
8a minus times
Yes.
minus becomes a plus 4b.
Plus का
4ab. Okay.
12ab.
One more question. Everyone, Ayantika. Minus 2a minus 6b plus 7c. Solve it. Ridan, Ekam, are you guys following?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Shivansh, Pita, it is wrong. Symbol. Pay attention to the sign. बहुत धीरे धीरे करो. There is no rush. Make sure that It is a clean work. You have to open a bracket. अभी करना चाहिए last minute. Again, इसको भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर डालो. मालूम है इसको भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर डालो, इसको भी ब्रैकेट के अंदर छोड़ो. Solve them now. Grahil, correct.
Ma'am, answer is 12AB plus minus 14AB. No,
Wrong.
14. No, AC. 14 AC.
2a, ये 2a माइनस क्या किया आपने माइनस 2a टाइम्स माइनस 6a.
How can I tell the answer?
ये ब्रैकेट के अंदर है. फिर इसको सॉल्व करो. इतना दूर मत लाओ, गलत कर रहे हो आप. You have to type the answer, kids. Now see, minus 2a times minus 6b. Okay, plus, follow here. You're doing it wrong. Plus minus 2a times 7c. Now someone is like, minus 2a minus 2, I'll take it out. But as per Bodmas, we have to solve the brackets first, isn't it? Solve the bracket. Solve the bracket. Solve it. What is minus 2a into minus 6b? What is minus 2a times minus 6b? You have to multiply. Kids, what is इसीलिए multiplication is possible in different variables. That is what I have taught. Just multiply 2 times 6, 12ab plus minus 2a times 7c minus 14ac. There's no degrees. Now you open the bracket. What is the answer? Give me the final answer. 12ab.
B minus 14A.
Perfect. Now let us do something else today, because we will always try to do these questions in every class. 5x times 7. X square times x cube. 3m cube times 5m to the power of 5. 3x into 4y. Everybody copy the question and give me the answer fast. I'll call. Phone is there. Solve it. Everyone. Five x times 7. When we multiply, we can multiply apples into bananas. We can multiply, x into 7. Manit, one is 35x. Okay, like that. I just read it as a decimal, 1.35x. Okay, this is how I will write the answer, okay? Bracket open. 1 bracket open, say 35x. Like this. Okay, look at the x to the power of 5. 15m8. Anaya. Who is Anaya?
Ma'am, me?
Just a second. Can you put your video on, Anaya? I think we have not met yet, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Anaya. So where are you from?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anaya.
I'm from Ludhiana.
Okay. And which grade are you in?
Ma'am, sixth.
Are you, when did you last join my class? Did you join it day before yesterday or today's your first class?
Ma'am, today is my first class.
Okay, Anaya. All right. Solve.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anvika.
Ma'am, like anything to the power of is confusing me.
Yeah, because there is a concept I'm going to explain. It was taught in the first class, but I can again explain it today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Manit, again, mistake in the concept. Yes, Sanvi.
Ma'am, I'm done with solving all the questions, but I just
Oh,
have the doubt in a third question.
which questions?
Third question, ma'am.
What is your doubt, Sanvi?
Ma'am, I raised 3 to the power 3 and then added m, which results into 27.
Ah, no, beta.
27 and
No, don't do that. That is wrong. Again, even someone sitting next to me has given the same answer. What, how have you solved it as 27? Tell me. You have, oh my God. Wow, perfect. Now, let me, where's my pen? Gone. Where's my pen? Okay, so see, there is a difference, okay? 3m whole to the power of cube and 3m to the power of cube. Now, can you solve?
yes, ma'am.
So, if, I think, Ayantika, you did not follow. When it is 3m whole to the power of cube, then it is 27m cube. But it is just 3m cube, which means m cube is with just m and not 3. That is the importance of brackets in algebra. Bracket is like a very, very important tool to interpret all these operations in algebra. Got it, children? Okay.
Ma'am, I'm not able to understand it as I was not in the first class.
Okay. So you will follow Ekam. Last question. 4x times 4y. 3m cube times 5m to the power of... Okay, last one, please. 3x times 4y.
12xy?
Yeah, it is 12xy. Anaya, are you Hazel's cousin?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Your voice is very similar to hers. Okay.
Okay.
I cannot see the answers.
Okay, so let us solve this, but I want to explain something. Okay? 3 to the power of cube. I want everyone to write it in the chat box. The equation for 3 to the power of 3. Quickly give me the answer. 3 cube. Perfect, Aradhya. He's following me. Perfect. Now don't look at Aradhya's answer, okay? I want you to write the answer. Nah, Sanvi, I don't want the answer. I want the equation. 3 to the power of 3, which means 3 cube. What is the equation? Sanvi, correct. A to the power 3, which is a cube. What is the equation? Right? Fast. Okay. Now, Tanvi, Grahil, Aradhya, my question is for you. Pay attention. This is my equation. Can you tell me what is the value of A?
A 3 times.
Give me the value of A. A is what?
9.
Mama, guess 27.
No, beta. Okay. Even juniors can give me the answer. What is the value? Shivansh, are you sitting with your sister?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am, the value of A is 3.
Wow. You know, I my juniors, you've given the correct answer, and that is why I wanted to know, okay, are you sitting with your senior brother or sister, elder brother or sister? देखो, जब हम बहुत दिमाग लगाने लग जाते हैं ना, तो हम गलत कर देते हैं. तो my senior students were like, इतना simple तो हो ही नहीं सकता, कुछ तो होगा, इसीलिए they were thinking, and juniors, अरे it is visible that A, so juniors में even you are there, that A has taken the place of 3 in this equation. कितना simple है ना ये? Correct? A is 3. Now, if I solve it like this, 3 cube becomes a 27 and A is to the power of 3. If I reverse, cube root हो जाएगा ना? Cube root of 27. Correct? So cube root becomes, say, a 3. But don't use that much of brain. अनविका ये बहुत ज्यादा कॉम्प्लेक्स था, ठीक है? ये हायर ग्रेड कॉन्सेप्ट है, मत सोचो उतना. Yes. Okay, so my question back here is A cube is A times A times A. A come. What is A plus A plus A?
3.
3A. Now, if I want to write the equation for 3A, it becomes 3 times A, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So 3 times A means A is getting added 3 times and not A is getting multiplied 3 times. Okay? Because if I multiply, it becomes A cube. समझ में आया? Any problem? No. Next,
No,
A
ma'am.
come. Suppose I have 1m which is to the power of 3. Multiply them. M which is the power of 2. What did Manit do? Manit, आपने क्या किया बेटा? आपने 3 times 2 कर दिया ऊपर. 5 times 3 15. No, ये add हो जाता है. 3 plus 2. M to the power of 5. If the variables are same, whatever powers you see, beta, it gets added. Okay, Real Madrid? Madrid, or whatever. Okay. So, coming back to my question. M to the power of 3 times M to the power of 3. M to the power of 2 plus M to the power of 2. Give me the answer for these two equations. Fast. Not possible right now.
M to the power of 4.
Wrong. Wrong. Symbol. There is a reason. There is a reason why I have given such question. First copy. Follow my concept that I was just given, that I just gave it to you. When you are multiplying the variables, if it's the same variable, M, no, you are adding also and you are multiplying also. सब मेरे बच्चे सारे गलत आंसर दे रहे हैं, क्या हो गया? माय गॉड ग्राहिल, क्यों? लवली लवली, हाँ साइन देखो, यहाँ मैंने प्लस दिया है, मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया है. 2m स्क्वायर. आराध्या वेरी गुड. जो भी है फर्स्ट वाला भी करोगे. सो किसी ने इसको 2m6 लिख दिया. इज इट करेक्ट? 2m6. शिवेन, बैटरी प्लीज. 2m 9. मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होता है ऊपर, नीचे मल्टीप्लाई है,
M6.
ऊपर वाले को ऐड करते, पावर्स गेट एडेड। 2 क्यों होगा? नहीं, तुम ऐड
Ma'am,
भी,
will it be 2m to the power of 2?
no, no, yes, yes, this is correct. Now listen guys, now when I say A is called A, you will have to be Shivansh, you know, I'm getting so many different answers. Everyone, they have made their own rules. Okay. Now someone has given me this answer. M times M. Sanvi, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When we have one variable and we have the same variable and we are multiplying, we have to take that variable common, correct? M common.
Yes, ma'am.
And the powers
Yes, ma'am.
should be simply added.
Added.
Correct? What has this child done?
Ma'am, he has multiplied them.
No, he has added them and they have even added the
They have
powers.
done both the operations, ma'am.
Yes, which is wrong. Now, here, m square is common. Just imagine
Yes, ma'am.
m square being one banana. So, how many bananas are there?
2.
So, I am going to write 2m square, correct? Don't you think
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
a no-brainer? Yeah? Chalo. The class is going to get over in 2 minutes.
But ma'am,
No,
can
4
I ask a
minutes.
question?
Yes, Anvika, 4 minutes.
Ma'am, we added the m, so it will be 2m. But ma'am, by square, it should be like 2 into 2 or 2 plus 2,
Nahi,
right?
Anvika. Please, everybody, because I have got multiple answers. Wrong, Anvika. Please listen to the concept again. Follow how I'm explaining. A times A. What is the answer?
2a.
A ki
2A.
power 2.
2a.
Okay, 2A. What is A plus A?
2A.
मेरे बच्चे,
2a.
तो A times A भी 2A होगा, A plus A भी 2A
Ma'am, A
होगा.
times A is A square.
समझ में आया? Okay, this is where you are going wrong. Manit, is it very confusing or you are clear? Okay, great. Naitik, A times A is A square, correct? क्या किया होगा मैंने? A का power is 1, A का power is 1. I have added 1 plus 1. This is the rule that you have to add the powers if the variables are the same variables. ठीक है? A plus A becomes 2A. Grahil, do you want to solve more questions?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, once the class
Yes,
ends,
ma'am.
do we have to join again?
No. Class is going to get over in 2 minutes. Okay? I'm going to assign homework worksheets today. Please solve them. First question, A plus 3A. Second question, A times 3A. Third question, A square plus 2A square. Third question, A square times 2A square. Give me the answer fast. Okay, join after the meeting gets over now, rejoin because I want to talk with you all. Okay?
Ma'am, first one is 4a.
We will wait for our friends, okay? Rejoin the meeting if it gets over because I want to talk to you all. Solve, guys. Okay, I'm giving the answer. 4a, 3a square, 3a square, and then it is 2a to the power of 4. Tally your answers, okay? And rejoin. क्या बात है शिवांश? Fantastic.